And we are live. All praise to the Most High God. Let's see here. Find me a streaming link. Just going to be going over my morning prep checklist. Let's see, go live. Looks like new shenanigans there. Market opens in 5 minutes. Perfect timing. Right now. Streaming software. Boom. Here we go. Let's see. Check, 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 check. All right, looks good. Let's see. I'm going to go to paper trading here. Cancel. Trade station demo. I haven't done my pre-morning routine, so I'm not going to trade live. Sim, there we go. Perfection. Already know we have a short bias. Let's see, remove 3 drawings. Let's take this. Trade settings, remove executions. This was the setup that I liked yesterday. Had a bear flag. This was open yesterday morning. I figured we'd push up somewhere in here and then fail, and we did. I mean, this is just a clean, clear downtrend. No need to overthink it. Where's the market going? Not sure. It tapped this yesterday. Is that enough? Imbalance here. Let's see, where's the cycle level? 2000. That's 20,000 cycle level. Well, it looks like we might have just tapped that yesterday. Almost. So let's just do some quick top down. All right, it's Friday, so we want to get a fib drawn on the weekly range. This is the weekly chart. Thank God it's Friday, 20 to 30%. So a lot of times on Friday, the market will retrace back to 20, 30% of the week. So I'm going to trail this fib down with the day and then look for a retracement into this level to happen daily. I already have an indicator that will give me yesterday's range, the high, low, and the mid. No imbalance in here. So this is all balanced. No real reason for it to pull back up immediately. Let's see, 1 hour chart. Nice wick. Looks like the session. Let's see, bring this over here. Overnight session is an expansion. London took out the lows, then the highs of Asia. And our current session took out the lows, then the highs of London. So we are basically just in an expansion model. Could take out these lows, yesterday's lows, and then run the highs. That's kind of what I expect. This is a 15-minute chart. Just pulled up into this. Didn't quite tap that imbalance. Just looking at oil right quick. Let's see. Upside model. Big candy bar here. Let's see. Daily. Let's go to the daily. This is NQ daily. Remove all the drawings. Just put yesterday's. Yesterday. Clean and clear downtrend. 2-period RSI. Just kind of quick view of the daily. Chart. All right, and the market is opening here. Did this nice clean touch here. Nice momentum trade, entering on this little pullback wick long. I do like it to get closer to a 50% retracement. So yeah, these two wicks getting inventory retracement bars. Tempting to chase price, you just kind of have a short bias, so you're not really too sure how far it'll go. Let's see. Let's get 50% of this range on here. News to this low. That's 50% here. Got a little swing point just beneath that 50%. So we could be going to there. Here we go. Now we're getting a 50% retracement. Didn't take these highs. Gonna take this wick at this 50%, playing for these highs to be run here. Yep. Going break even. Close enough to the open, we could get a violent reversal. All right. Little noise, so stop, break even. Question is, inside down close, there is the long entry. All right. Bear flag forming. Got to be super careful. If you're going to take a long here, you got to just get a really clean entry. And slightly inclined to take this short if that prints. Okay, see, that would have been a good short had it closed up here, because you could get break even with some, trailing that momentum. But. All right, there you go. 50% level. Swept this low. Highs taken. That was clean. That was exactly what I was expecting. I do expect it to get kind of up here. Let's get the open range gap drawn on here. Yesterday's close. 2 days open. Open range gap. electronic trading hours. Yeah, this is yesterday's close on the regular trading hours, 5-minute gap. So probably going to close here. This is a little bit of a cliffhanger trade. I'll try to take this trade and then get break even immediately. 50% of this range. That is a cliffhanger. See what the 5-minute chart looks like. Bullish engulfing on the 5-minute. No real imbalances above for it to reach for. I like this short right here. Ooh, touch the gap to the tick and then strong reaction. Let's check the volume. There we go. Nice wick there at the end, huh? Nice wick here at the end. Shows it wants to push up. Here we go. Another swing high taken. Let's get our old friends. So let's see. Moving averages here. 3, 2, 1. Clean execution. Tiny risk. Beautiful bar. Liquidity taken right at a moving average that I like. So already got the perfect reaction we want to see. Go on break even. Clean trade right there. Super clean. That was shmoney. Moving average actually basically filled the gap too. But yeah, just a really, really nice reversal candle. Let's get this drawn properly. Okay. See a retracement to about this level. Retest this channel break, 50% of this range. Probably want to get 50% of this range as well. Okay, tempting long. That's a tempting long trigger, but I think there's going to be more blood in the water today, guys. Let's see. Inside up close here would be interesting. Oh, that's definitely forcing it a little bit because it didn't quite close inside. Risk is not, yeah. Going long is not obviously a really smart, super smart idea, but just, trying to be a little extra, play in both directions. And you never know. So I might have been just one candle early. Another inside up close. Gonna learn my lesson. I'll wait for a short. No real need to go for. So let's see here. Ooh, that's a nice. Let's see. Entering in that wick is super aggressive. Yeah, that was really, really aggressive. Entering in this wick around this 50% to catch this move back down. This is how NQ's been moving in the morning, though. These big up, big down moves, or big down, big up moves coinciding. So we're right at the 20 period moving average based on the 5-minute chart. So I do like this to reject short here. I really do. I'm going to try it one more time. Oh, somehow I'm still in my earlier trade. That's really interesting. Or I just got a terrible fill. No stop loss. Something's not right here. I'll give myself a little room. Cancel this. So I'm hoping that this moving average there. Oh, see, we're right at it. Didn't quite give me enough protection. This is a balanced price range here. Should have waited for that. Let's see where initial imbalance is. On the 1 minute chart. Let's see, that's 8:30 here. So initial imbalance is the first candle. Right there. Oh yeah, that's pretty clean. On the 1 minute, long trigger right at initial imbalance. Pretty clean long signal. Also, considering we tapped this is a nice, actually overall bullish look. And this is where I said we want to go. So this is the 200, this is the 50 of the overall range. How price reacts to this area is will be really interesting. Getting in while the risk is manageable. This is a possible swing high right here. Close enough to the 200, and I think coming back to test this 20 period is a possibility. Although obviously the momentum's up, and but this is 50% of the overall range, and we're close to the 200. Like I said, it's just a decent area for people to sell for an intermediate swing. Just have to wait. Can't go break even too early since we're fighting the short-term momentum. Don't want to see too many more candles this close to my stop. So if it's going to turn around, it's pretty much got to do it here. Nope. Okay, now we're at the 200. New day opening gap. 5-minute chart's looking super bullish. 15-minute chart has a nice bullish look to it. Interesting sort of just trying to get a read on this volume down here. Clean channel. Can you really trust it right now at this point? As weak as the market has been. Just keep an eye on the daily chart. So we're still inside yesterday's range. 200 cleanly tapped here. This is a doji short signal. It's not my favorite. I'll be looking to take probably the next short signal. 50% tap. Baby imbalance right there. Inside up close. Inside down close. New week opening gap. 200 period moving average. Higher time frames are definitely bearish. Nice pullback, decent amount of liquidity taken. I don't mind that trade at all. I think that's a very reasonable trade. This is how you just kind of have to play the game, because we're kind of picking the top here. Inside down close again here. Another short signal. Gotta go for like a 4-to-1. Four to one is here. Let's see, maybe this swing is realistic. Another short signal here. Baby risk to add. Huh? Yes. Yesterday when we were at work. Let's see. So, yeah. I mean, we'll have to see. Friday. I mean, there's a lot of selling lately, so we could get a bounce today. We got to actually, now that I think about it, we got a bounce last Friday. So kind of a nice bear flag. Can see this, still can definitely see this falling lower. Resisted the urge to go to break even, so we'll see if it pays off or if I should have took some profit here. Looks like that's another nice short entry. I can't add because this paper trading account is really small to reflect my real cash account. I can't trade more than one micro at a time, but I tried to add here, and this is another add to this trade. Kind of can have two positions at once. This solid close down bar, you don't want to see this retrace like that. See, so it's worth, yeah, just got to be patient. We're right at the 200 and we're still below it. I want to see a close up here. Wicks up here are okay, but too many more closes up there and it's getting dicey. Yeah. Cancel that. Is it worth getting long though now? Above the 200. Can see this rip up there. All right. Well, I didn't do my market prep, and I'm just paper trading today, and I thought I would just get on to chop it up or maybe go over my routine with some other people on the stream, but no one's here, so I think I'm going to call it. Happy Friday, and I'll see you later. Peace out.